The guitar has been around in one form or another for centuries, but the principles behind how it works can be in use in musical instruments ever since the first caveman pulled the string on his bow and noticed a sound. A guitar is simply an expansion of this idea to create a series of strings tied taut and placed over a large hollow body to resonate the sounds. There are also various styles of guitars, all which have different sounds, the two most common in acoustic models being the classical or nylon string and the folk or steel string. Each has their own unique sound from the materials of the strings and the composition of the bodies, as well as the air between them. There are 6 strings on a guitar with corresponding frequencies. These frequencies represent the root tone of each string. What makes a guitar sound the way it does is the overlay of various frequencies on each string, or the overtones present. These patterns of overtones and their strength is what makes a guitar sound different. In addition, these exact patterns of overtones is impossible to repeat, and so every instrument will sound different. And in fact, every note is subtly changes from the exact location on the string where it is plucked to the force, direction, and the age of the string both off and on the guitar all have small effects on the sound.
Bali na.
These strings then transfer air sound into the body of the guitar where they set up an internal resonance in the air chamber made by the body and cause the back plate and face plate to vibrate. These vibrations cause the air to compress and rarefy, making the compression waves in the air that our ear interprets as sound. In this experiment, we need a wine glass and lightly wet your finger. Now drag your finger on the rim of the glass. As you slide your finger around the rim of the glass, the ridges in your finger slip and stick, causing the wine glass to vibrate at its natural frequency. This is called the slip-stick motion, wetting your finger allows it to easily slide around the rim of the glass. The vibration produced by your finger travels around the glass. If your finger reaches a vibration at the right time, it will cause the vibration to amplify. This is repeated over and over again, and once these vibrations reach the natural frequency of the glass, causes air molecules to vibrate at the same frequency. These vibrations travel from the air around the glass to your ears, and it's heard as sound. This process is known as acoustic resonance. If we compare the sound waves of a glass with a little bit of water versus one with lots of water, we can see the difference in the shape of the sound waves that are produced.
One, two, three, go! Ang sakit! Sa kamay!